Yo, what's up? This is Boss JP in the house. Good afternoon guys. Yung pala guys, may tingin na pala ng unit natin, which is yung 2019 Toyota Hiace GL Grandia 3.0. And hopefully guys, magustuhan ni client yung unit natin. Kaya tara, samahan nyo ako. Guys, dito na tayo dumaan ng Suelo Village para mas mabilis tayo makarating sa showroom. Yun guys. Bali ngayon guys, andito ako ngayon sa showroom. And then hinihintay pala natin yung titingin ng 2019 na Toyota GL. Guys, good afternoon po ulit. Bali yun guys, babalik pala yung client natin na tumingin ng 2019 Toyota Hiace GL Automatic. Bali, magsasama na siya ng mekaniko niya tomorrow. And then, ayun guys, update na lang po tayo. Salamat.
A few moments later, 2,000 years later, one eternity later.
Yo, what's up? This is Boss JB in the house. Good afternoon guys. Another day, another car. Bali ngayon guys, babalik pala yung client natin na nagtingin kahapon ng 2019 Toyota GL Grandia, which is yung automatic transmission. And hopefully, mag-close deal natin ngayon. And then may kasama na pala silang mechanic today. Tara guys, samahan nyo ako.
Ikaw na lang mag-witness, brother.
Okay brother. Thank you boss. Yo, what's up? This is Boss JP in the house. Good evening guys. Another car, another day. Bali yun pala guys, sold out na yung 2019 Toyota Hiace GL Grandia 3.0, which is yung automatic transmission. Yun lang guys. Boss Auto Trading, legit. Peace out.
For the watch, Prezi plain Jane, Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes, link a feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures causing my hysteria. Mama see me on BT and start tearing up. I'ma start killing niggas, how you get that track? I attended Harlem picnics when you risk your life. Uncle used to skim work, selling nicks at night. I was only 8 years old, watching Nick at night.